If you're using Garmin Pilot on an iPad, one of the most powerful features unique to Garmin Pilot is split screen mode. Activating it is simple. From the map page, select the white chevron. This will be on the right side of the screen in landscape orientation and the bottom of the screen in portrait orientation. Your display will then be divided into two independent viewing areas, increasing screen usability. You can then select the icon next to the arrow to choose what appears on the split side. There are over 10 options to explore. Want to see a vertical profile view of weather, traffic, and more ahead? Pull up Flight Profile. Need your Smart Charts approach plates? Pull up Charts. Then you can view them next to the map to see weather, traffic, and your chart all at the same time. You can also select Scratchpad to jot down a new clearance, or you can run through your checklist while keeping your map in view. Split screen mode makes Garmin Pilot on your iPad even more useful by giving you multiple views and keeping critical information front and center in flight. We hope this helps you get started planning, filing, flying, and logging with Garmin Pilot.